Alright. Jesus Christ, look at that pile of shit.
Illiteracy.
Yeah. All I have is this fishnet that looks like someone's leg, but I see an old looking person right there.
I mean, the fish that is the Vikings' arms.
Oh.
He's got those fishnet sleeves.
I found more floor.
Thank you. Give me all the floor, please. I'll just take it all at once so I can be overwhelmed. Please provide the rest of the floor while I attempt to sort this.
I'm looking for floor.
Oh shit, she's snapping already.
Oh.
A worm?
That's just
I
splendid.
just got lucky and found a single piece. God.
God, there's a lot of white on the left.
I'm trying to work with that. You can see I have, like, non-zero progress, which is something.
Meow.
Meow.
Yeah.
Oh my god, there's so many fucking floor pieces.
This looks very exciting.
You bet it is. Shit.
It's pure excitement. How could a jigsaw puzzle be anything else?
Jigsaw puzzle entry.
Jesus Christ. I mean, there's an effect.
Yeah, I feel like it's been done before. Maybe with like a Jenga chorus. Which?
Yeah? And there's the
Face of a poker! Ow!
I cannot unhear the Lechuga.
Right?
I just can't.
Yeah, I can't either. I always hear it.
Lechuga brain rot.
Why? I never heard the brain rot.
Fortunately, I still cannot hear it. Period.
Man, one more listen and you'll hear it.
The Lechuga.
Lechuga brain rot.
You can tweet that if you want.
That's like me writing the ingredients list on my Yorker project. I think I am finding pieces of door. Is this man face? It is!
What?
I found a piece of his face!
This floor is hard.
Yeah, it's literally fractal noise times 1,000. We all know how we feel about that.
Fuck. Oh my god, I should have sorted this better. This is literally hell. Can this bitch just snap?
I'll make them good girls go.
No. Them good girls go. I'll make them good girls go.
I'll make them good girls go. Good girls go bad. I know your type. Your daddy's little girl, just take a bite. Let me shake up your world. Oh, isn't this a curve? This is gonna be a part of this.
Girls go bang. Girls go bang.
Hanging in the corner with your five best friends.
I you trouble, but I couldn't say. Girls go bang. Okay, girls go.
I'm gonna put the fishnet stocking over here.
It's his sleeves.
Yeah. I know.
But yeah, it is more fun to imagine that it's fishnet stockings.
Yeah. I heard that you were troubled, but I couldn't resist.
One time I asked if there were any good girls left in the world after this many playbacks, and she just said no.
But then how will the good girls go bad?
They've already gone bad.
That sounds like, I don't know, like this just sounds like something that would come out of like a really cheesy like 1950s noir. Like, where have all the good girls gone? They've already gone bad.
This is like partially sorted now, but it's still a mess.
I still can't tell what's
Luckily,
going on.
I snapped a very crucial piece in place. This is like the bottom of like his
Oh.
mesh cape thing that's just snapped right in the middle. So
Dude,
you can
got
start
lucky.
building him.
Alright. Let's see, what could fit there? I don't think it's that. I'll just put pieces of red there then.
Okay.
Actually, there's a lot, so maybe that's not a good idea.
Just be careful. Some of these I'm like only partially sure which side they go on. Because this is just messy.
Yeah. I think I found another piece of fishnet leg.
Fishnet?
No!
Concern?
Please! I'm not that kind of person.
Where the f did this go?
That looked like a continent for a second.
I'm figuring this out, Ma. Look at me go.
Oh my god. Wait, that's like a whole corner.
I know.
Oh shit. Your brain cells.
Dude, you can like see through the fractal noise. I've started to get lost. I'm not sure what's supposed to happen now. All I've done is connect a few pieces.
I mean, you could reference the full image and like try and figure out where shit goes.
Oh, wait, I can do that? Oh my god, I can! Okay, but that like... I don't know. I like the clanurisms.
I guess clanurisms are part of the appeal.
Whoa! Sorry, I'm
I know where that goes. I literally don't know where this goes.
Hold on. I'll try and snap it somewhere.
Okay. You're gonna get all the credit, but that's okay.
That's how it works here. JYP and Cleese work their asses off so bitch ass can get the credit.
Hey! I was doing it too!
No, like, I literally do nothing. I have 9.
There. She snapped.
Delightful. She snapped.
She has snapped.
With
the salad on the side.
oh me, oh my. I'm the skinniest bitch alive.
Salad?
Oh my god, I'm so dumb. It was right in front of me the whole time.
What the hell is that accent?
My soul, sisters. Let me hear your flow, sisters. I want to freshen up in a boudoir.
Yeah. Something snapped. I have no idea what snapped.
Sister, whoa. We come through with the money and the garter belts. Let them know about that cake straight up the gate. We independent women, some mistake us for whores. I'm saying, why spend mine when I can spend yours? Well, that's you, and I'm sorry. I'ma keep playing these cats outs like Atari. 4 badass chicks from the Whomcock crew.
So sisters, those sisters.
Ooh, woo, woo, woo.
Oh, woo, 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 woo.
Ah!
Mood.
What was that?
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Look at how much floor.
Dude, you floor. Wait, that's like actually so
Lord.
good though. What the heck?
I've cracked the code.
You fractaled
You've
the
done it.
noise.
You cleased it.
Yeah. Mm. This is hard.
Yes.
That's hard.
Oh my god. No way!
Bruh.
That's crazy!
What is going on? I'm like completely illiterate to anything that isn't a gray gradient right now.
I like zoomed out and I was like, this puzzle's hard, and then hard came on. Oh my god.
It's hard. Imagine if we had to drink for every piece we shoved in the wrong place.
We can't even drink yet.
Oh my god.
Except for spaghetti. But
I don't
yeah.
even know what my tolerance level is.
Even if we just did water, we'd just die.
We would just become bloated. This goes somewhere over here, I think. But I am not sure where.
I'm illiterate.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, that's a person.
What?
A person on the corner.
Yeah, I was
The
building
sign.
him. It's my friend.
What's his name?
Nathaniel.
Okay.
Interesting name for a Viking.
No, that's not the Viking. It's the guy on the left side.
Oh my god.
Nathaniel.
Nathaniel.
Alright, I'll take your word for it. Hi, Nathaniel.
Like,
I am so illiterate.
yeah, I don't know what's going on. Like, yeah.
Like, yeah.
This song makes me want to be seen again.
Yeah.
What's
Like,
stopping
yeah.
Like, yeah. Yeah, what is stopping me from being seen?
Absolutely nothing.
Yeah.
Live out your dream. I know.
I think I found the start of one cape. Oh my god! My brain.
you? Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh my god, how did I become this smart? I say as I can't fit
And
the
then you
next piece.
immediately stop.
I'm seeing a pattern here.
Let's go pick up all the cake pieces, I guess.
Yeah.
I can't believe I fucking floored.
You floored it.
You floored it.
Look at this shit.
That should have been a pun in the Hot Limit video.
Holy fuck. 183.
That's crazy, man.
You cleased it.
You cleaned it. What's the Hot Wheels catchphrase?
Hot Wheels beat that.
Yeah, clean. Did you say like please?
Hot Wheels,
that?
please that.
Yeah. God, there's so much red folds. This is terrible.
Okay, I'm like completely useless now that I've like completed most of the ground. I don't know where I'm going with this piece.
Does anyone
What do you know?
Oh,
Did
I
that
got
really
credit
go
for that.
there? Damn, I put that shit together.
Pensive.
So
Sorry.
fucking rude.
Hey!
No, it's okay. You found where it goes.
I can't even see the red pieces. They're like merged with the floor.
I know.
We are all illiterate.
I just want to be a California girl. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
This song is so good. I put the light in the cage and lay with her all night.
Oh my god, I wanted to place that.
I was looking for it.
I got it.
The floor is literally done.
We love to see it. Dude, look at his feet.
Yeah.
He's got some Roblox looking feet right now.
Oof.
Dude, I am so good at this. I say with the least amount of points.
You're trying.
You're doing your best.
If it weren't for that fat piece, I would have been a little higher. Dude, his cape is almost done.
I still don't hear it.
My
Bro.
Machuga.
You gotta go back.
Oh my god, no.
We'll be here for a while.
Yes.
Where are the fucking car pieces?
Did you say car pieces?
Yes,
Yeah,
there's a car.
Oh my
on this
god.
side.
I just noticed
Like,
the
I've
wheel.
been looking for it and I can't find it. No!
What the heck did I do so wrong?
I lost connection!
Oh my god, really? That's
I'm
tragic.
gonna
Well,
write down how many I got.
225. It's 225.
Yeah. Well, I've still been recording.
Okay, it's in my calculator.
Your calculator?
Your calculator.
On my computer. You think I have a calculator out?
Oh
That I
my-
have a math class? No way.
Dude, you don't know what I've been through.
I've been reading your Twitter.
I always need to have a calculator on me now.
That is so unfortunate.
Yeah.
Cursed.
There's a bunch of assorted hair pieces on the bottom here and none of them click together.
Yeah. I think I put that bottom one together and I was just like, I have no idea where this goes. This is a bit of a lighter shade. I think it goes over here. I mean darker. Maybe not in that exact position, but I think it's somewhere on this side.
Oh, that's not his hair, that's the fur thing.
Oh!
Like, I don't remember hair being there.
Jesus, there's still so many pieces.
Pleasing.
I think I found his shoulder armor, whatever that is. Shoulder pad.
Shoulder pad.
It's coming together. Oh my gosh.
Oh shit.
That just snapped right in place.
You're the guy.
Cause just one night couldn't be so wrong.
But I lose control.
Oh, 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 oh.
No,
I found his shoe!
I-
Wait. Never mind. I thought this was Nathaniel's shoe, but apparently it's already been found. Wait, then whose shoe is this?
There's extras in the background.
Oh, okay.
What do you mean bitch ass has left?
That was your old session, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Dude, she forgot.
I haven't forgotten. Bitch ass never forget.
Alright, bitch ass.
That's right.
Does he have a weapon?
Yeah, he's got a sword.
Oh, then this must be where his hand goes. Somewhere over here. Yeah! Oh my god, that snapped right on.
Oh!
Oh! The code has been cracked! I like this remix, but also for some reason it makes me think of James Charles.
I do not know what you mean.
I don't know, it sounds like something he would sing, but also I like it.
Can he sing?
Doesn't he like have a bunch of covers on his channel?
I don't want to be reminded of his existence.
Same.
It's just night chord for me.
I don't know where anything goes.
Yeah. Oh, there's his foot. I've been looking for that. I want my void to be filled up with celluloid.
Take a picture. I'm with the boys.
To get what I want, because I asked for it.
Not because I'm really that deserving of it.
Beauty queen on the silver screen.
5 pictures, something.
Okay.
I don't remember.
With a salad on the
salad
side.
Oh me, oh my. I'm the skinniest bitch alive.
You did not say salad.
Me.
He.
Is this a piece of car?
Oh, I didn't realize that pattern was like the shoe.
Yeah.
Oh, that makes so much sense. Okay.
It's got kind of a funky pattern.
I literally don't understand the car.
Yeah, me either.
Does anyone?
I think this is a piece of car, but I'm not sure where it goes. Oh wait, no, I think it's this. Is it? No, I think I'm starting to see things. No, I am right.
Oh, I got something in place. Part of the car.
Oh, worm. Oh, this is part of the
Are you
sword.
kidding me? That's where it went?
Yes!
I was
That
like
looks
trying
like
to
the
find
most
out where the fuck that
unlikely.
line went. Ah!
Wait, that doesn't make any sense. What the hell? Oh, it's literally part of the car. Does that mean this is also car?
Maybe
That's
all
a tire.
cars.
This looks like the same type of situation. Yeah, it is. It is part car. Wait, so the car is like it has diagonal shit.
Yeah.
I figured out a boot.
You
figured out a boot.
A boot. You should add hotel room service to this playlist.
Fuck, what was that one?
Wait, how do I add? Do I just play
Play.
hotel room service?
Are you kidding me? The piece that had to go here was just, like, literally right next to the spot.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh my god. We're illiterate.
We are blind.
I was staring at it for the longest time.
There's like so many pieces just floating around. Thinking about the vine with the girl like screaming in her bathroom.
Yeah. I made it into an MP3 so I could just use it. Wow, I leveled up because
You can level up in this?
You what?
You level up in the jigsaw puzzle?
no, in voice chat.
Oh,
I sent in, I leveled up in PMD.
Of course.
we love to see it. Moulin Rouge.
Really, ladies, your marm.
Yeah.
Wheel Lady Marm, why?
What if we had this misdemeanor here? Misdemeanor here.
Miss M?
I think I still have that on my computer. Wait, I think I do. I think I saved it, like, from all of her... What's that website called again?
Vocado?
Yeah, Vokaru.
I'm so illiterate. How do we finish this?
Good question.
We're not close at all. Please zoom out.
I have.
Hey, when you look at this from afar, it looks kind of like a cockroach. Can you see it?
A little bit. Just a little bit.
Where is this man's other boot? With an E.
I feel like the E really does make a difference.
Exactly.
Did I just find it? Yeah, I did.
Oh.
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 I found the bendy of his arm. I was also staring at that piece for a while, wondering what it was.
Why does this look like a man's face?
The boot!
Did you get it? Hell
Yeah.
yeah. Looks like a monster is surrounding him. Some kind of jigsaw monster. Oh. That was his glove? I thought that was a tree.
What?
I don't know, this whole time I was like, it's gotta be in the distance, right? Because it's like a tree?
Please.
I don't know, man.
What is this skin-colored thing?
It's his arm! I think. Wait, no.
No, it's too skinny.
Yeah. Dude, he looked like... I thought this was
Take
like
it from me. I don't know where to put it.
I thought this was like his nose.
Bruh. Oh, it's an extra's leg.
Oh.
There we go.
It's his leg.
What's his name?
Lysander.
Why?
Cause I said so!
Okay.
It's the first thing that came to mind. Skipping it to Jesus.
Lyrical genius.
Yeah. Straight up.
Skidoo to Jesus.
Really leaves room for Jesus.
Yeah. Oh, are these his shorts? Oh my god.
His fucking cargo shorts. They're
Yeah.
cargo shorts, right? Yeah.
This is Asu's outfit.
That's the Republican look.
Oh my god, shut up!
I
Oh
should know
god.
my dad dresses like this.
Your dad is a Republican?
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay, well, like, the obsession with country music and the Daddy Has a Gun song.
Yeah.
It really
That's-
clicks.
He's extremely patriotic.
Yeah, it really clicks. I should have known. But I still love
Imagine
Frank.
liking this country.
Yeah. I still like Frank, though. Me and him, we're buddies.
Oh my god.
Please.
I don't think he served, but he was like in the reserves, which is also why he's like this.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's... yeah.
That's not the right color.
I'm putting things wherever I want because I'm illiterate.
She's slowly becoming
Dang.
colorblind.
My background is Shrek Green, and it has been Shrek Green since the very beginning. Of course I'm colorblind.
I said hers was green too, right? Mine's blue.
Yeah. She
Mine's
said forest green.
Forest green.
Oh, okay.
Mine's Shrek Green.
It's not disgusting. It's just like
Listen, I needed to see the pieces, but now I can't see the pieces anyway.
Do you
because
mind
there's so
taking
fucking
a
many.
photo
This
of
is
your
a 600 piece puzzle. We're solving a 600 piece puzzle.
But, like, we're almost there, kind of.
Yeah. God, I think I'd just straight up die if there was a drinking game every time I put something in a blatantly wrong place. And then like another shot if I just immediately bring it back like I missed.
I found Lysander's arm. Well, his elbow.
Why is he Lysander?
Because I said so. Oh, I
Okay.
found the arm.
Really appreciate how crusty it gets when I zoom out.
Yeah.
I've been playing mostly zoomed out the whole time.
Jeez.
How do you live?
I'm just used to not adjusting things for my own convenience. Because I forget to. Or
Okay,
I...
mood.
Yeah. Like, you could probably put, like, 2, like, giant fucking pool noodles between, like, around my spot at the dinner table, and I'm not gonna move them because I'm worried that, like, you needed them for something.
Well, you're free to zoom in and out.
I'm seeing several cases of pieces being extremely close to the spots where they're supposed to be placed. The cargo payout.
I still think I'm the only girl who ever wears cargo pants ever.
No, okay. There's you, and then I know my cousin. Like, she wears them all the time.
Oh, real shit.
Yeah. But she also, I don't know. Yeah, she's in high school now, I think, yeah. I always think she's in elementary school.
Mm.
I think that's a car piece.
It's a car piece? Oh.
I am illiterate.
Same.
Where does this go?
Is this piece of card? Oh, it is.
Illiteracy jumps out.
Yeah. God, I feel so blind.
I don't know where this fucking goes.
There can only be so many spots of where it goes.
Holy shit. Ah!
Where? Oh my god.
Okay.
Bruh, I can't see.
I'm glazing.
Oh my god. Why does it look like there's less spots than there are pieces?
I know. My fucking god, where
Illiterate.
does this go?
Am I like trippy?
Oh,
Is this real? Wait, okay, that goes there.
my god, where does this piece go?
Oh my god! Why is it turbulencing?
Oh, because they're not in the right place at all.
Oh. Oh my god! We did it!
I did 320.
That's crazy.
I really did half the fucking puzzle.
Incredible.
Wow.